So you should have one graph between the two pieces of graph paper that you got this week. You should have one blank graph on it, for sure, at least on one you picked up yesterday, because we only did 3 graphs. So if you want to do this warm up, please, at this time, then we'll go through it. First question is, which way does it open? Up. X is squared, positive on the 4p, so that's going to be an up opening parabola. Where is the vertex? 4, -2. 2, 4, 2. 4p is how much? 16. So p is 4. So what are the coordinates of my focus? 4, 2. Up 4 from the vertex. What is the equation of my directrix? Y equals -6. What is the width of my parabola? 16. So that's groups of 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6. Over there. Okay? That allows me then to draw it in. And what is my axis of symmetry? X equals 4. Agree with all of that? Then that's what your picture should look like. Yes, remember you need the vertex labeled, or not labeled, but at least with a V. You need focus, identify, axis symmetry, directrix, and the graph. So 5 things on your graph. Love it. Today what we're going to do is we're going to do the bottom half of the back side of the worksheet. We're going to work in reverse now. Okay? So I'm going to give you certain conditions, and I'm going to ask you for the equation. I might give you the graph. I might give you where a focus, where the vertex, what the directrix is, what the axis of symmetry is, etc. I'm going to give you some combination of those, and I'm going to say, find me the equation. Okay? This is really good. It's a really good assessment as to if you understand what we've been doing all week. Because you're going to take all that information now, and you got to work your way backwards. Okay? So the first one here says that the vertex is at the origin, and the focus is at -2, 0. So how I would start this one would be, I would just kind of draw myself a little picture. So I've got a vertex here at the origin. I've got a focus over here at -2, 0. What way does this parabola open? Opens left. Okay? Based off of that, it opens left. Okay? So is a left opening parabola an x squared or a y squared? y squared. Is it a positive or negative 4p? Negative. So I'm going to use this one that I still have up there. Y minus k quantity squared is going to equal negative 4p times x minus h. That's what the form is going to be. I now just need to fill in my k, my p, and my h. Those are the three things that I need to find. Two of them are given. Which two? K and h, right? They're both 0 because our vertex is at the origin. So the vertex is h and k there. So those two are both going to be 0. Now I just need to find p. Well, what is p again? One of two things. So, yeah, exactly. So it's the p is either the distance from the focus to the vertex or from the vertex to the directrix. Do I have either one of those? Yeah, because I've got this distance right here, right? Here's my focus, here's my vertex. How far apart are those 2 points? 2. They're 2 apart, right? So P then is 2. So if I put that all together, I get y minus 0 equals negative 4 times 2 times x minus 0. Now that step you probably won't do, but that's me filling in all the stuff because I have to, because I got to teach you. Okay? You'll probably jump right to, well, this part, y minus 0 quantity squared, that's just y squared. Negative 4 times 2 is negative 8. X minus 0 is just x. And that is the equation for a parabola that has its vertex at the origin and has its focus at negative 2 comma 0. Okay? Try that. It does. So we got our vertex up here at 2 comma negative 3. Y equals 6. Or excuse me, y equals negative 6. Is that a horizontal or a vertical line? Horizontal. Is it going to be above or below my vertex? Below. So my directrix is going to be down here. Which way does this parabola open? Up. Okay? So an up opening parabola is x minus h, quantity squared, equals positive 4p times y minus k. Okay? What do I know? H is what? 2. Yep. So H is 2, and K is negative 3. Okay? What else do I know? I got an answer. So this would be, so when I put 2 in for H, then this would be x minus 2. me? So it really would be plus 3. What do I need then? P. What's P? 3? Because the distance here, so my y value here is -3. My y value here is -6. So this distance here is 3. So this the equation of this parabola would be x minus 2 quantity squared equals 12 times the quantity y plus 3. Okay? Try that one. So we got the focus over here. And we got my directrix over there. What is this total distance? That distance is 10, right? Is that P? Why not? Because it's not the vertex. Right? So half of that is P. Right? Because the distance from the focus to the vertex is the same as from the vertex to the directrix. So halfway over here is my vertex. What would the coordinates of that vertex be? -1, 3. Which that means then that my P value is 5. Which way does this parabola open? Left. Okay. So a left opening parabola is y minus k quantity squared equals -4p times the quantity x minus h. What is k? What is h? So the equation of this is y minus 3 quantity squared equals -20 times the quantity x plus 1. Nope, that's the focus. We had to find the vertex first. Okay? You now have enough information to do the remainder of your homework, 10 through 15. That worksheet is due tomorrow. You will have a formative tomorrow in class.